We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2017 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited in Bonneville and Fathom Blue. Up at the front, we have dual disc brakes. This bike also comes equipped with ABS. 107 Milwaukee 8 engine. Rider and passenger floorboards. We have engine guards front and rear as well. Locking saddlebags and top case. Top case also comes with a luggage rack, and both the saddlebags and the top case have a little bit of pinstriping on them. Really comfortable seat for the passenger with built-in speakers. Last place we have pinstriping on this bike is the front of the fairing. Really subtle, really nicely done. And a nice tall windshield. Great for touring, great for commuting. Just an all-around super awesome, comfortable bike with lots of luggage options. We run on a fob, so we are keyless. And we are at 17,929 miles. Again, we are at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are available for test rides 6 days a week. Hope to see you soon.